Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sanibel local and long distance movers near me. You'll need a long distance mover if you don't live in Sanibel but want to move into it. While no mover is better than the other, they specialize in different things. Local movers moving within the city, and long distance movers moving from city to city. Sanibel Long Distance 3 Movers is one of the movers that can help you move into the city. They have certifications that allow them to move from state to state, so they can help you move into Sanibel even if you're not currently living in Florida. They are familiar with the regulations affecting relocation in different places and know how to navigate them. Local moves are not as expensive as long-distance moves, and our local moving services are the cheapest in East Lake. We charge as low as $30 and $40 per hour. You get value for your money despite our low rates. Irrespective of the city's active environment, our expert movers can assure you of a smooth move. We also carry you along throughout the entire moving process. We provide great moves at cheap rates. It's no wonder we are the favorite local moving company in Sanibel. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sanibel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.